Have you thought about putting in a bathroom, but the concrete's in the way? The floor needs to be destroyed. Well, we've got a solution for you that won't destroy your floor or your budget. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an absolute solution for a problem that you may not even realize that you had. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Zoeller has provided an opportunity for you to install a bathroom anywhere that you need one and don't have quick and easy access to all the plumbing that you would necessarily need for a regular plumbing situation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this little guy right here can put a bathroom in your basement, in your pool house, or even in your garage. This little guy right here, a 3-piece little unit, can absolutely create the perfect bathroom remodel or install for you 100% across the board. All right, so we have 3 main components for this Qwik Jon made by Zoeller toilet. The bowl, which a standard seat fits right on top. We've got the tank where the water supply is, and the little pump down here in the bottom. Now this pump, we also have an extension where you can take this whole pump, slide it completely behind the wall. It plugs into a standard receptacle anywhere. That's right. Plug her in and she's ready to rock. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know what you're thinking. What if you need to put a sink down there as well? Maybe a shower? Yeah, well, that's fine. All of that can go right in here. It can all be plumbed together. But the real question is, where does the magic happen? The magic happens inside the magic grinder box. But what's inside? Want to take a look? Let's check it out. All right, so the pump situation is 100% pre-assembled. That's right, you don't have to do anything except for plug it in and plumb it. That's it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this little guy over here, now this is an absolute grinder pump. So no matter what you're flushing down through there, it grinds it up 100% and sends it back out on a nice little 1-inch pipe straight to where it needs to go. Now, with the entire situation, the grinder and the flushing, how loud is this thing? You would think that it's going rah, 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 rah. No, it's not. It's no louder than a regular toilet flushing, which is perfect for any situation, 100%, once again, across the board. All right, contractors, listen up. This part's for you. On February 23rd, we are going to have a little morning session with Zoeller. That's right. Zoeller's going to come in here to Eckerd Supply, and we are hoping to have you come be a part of it. Now, Zoeller Pump is going to be going over several of the pumps, including the Qwik Jon, and also a couple opportunities for you to get signed up for contractor rewards and win a nice little fire pit. But until then, come on in, see us here at the counter. We'll see you soon.